In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to import bags from China using 1688 without using agent. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and you're going to be fine. So let's get started. But before we dive, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into tutorial and see how to import bags from China using 1688 step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your 1688 app. So having opened up your 1688 app, you can make use of search bar right here to type search of whatever items you are looking for, or better still, you can make use of this camera icon here to upload product items, to upload item picture or product picture on the app, and then we are going to see variety results. After you are able to search for different products, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you add an item to the cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, you can check the video on my channel. So next thing you want to do after you have successfully add an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to proceed to cart right here. So I'm going to click on cart so you can see all the bags I want to purchase right now. I have added everything right here into cart on my 1688 app. So next thing I'm going to do is to select each of the bag right here. So I need to buy this one right here. I'm going to select on that. All right, so I have to scroll down and then I need to select this one right here. I want to buy this one also. So I have to select everything that I'm going to purchase. You can see all bags from different supplier. So you can see I have select all the bags that I'm going to purchase. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to check out the items. So you can scroll down and see all the items that we are going to purchase. Okay, so at this point here, the next thing to do is to make sure I click on here to check out. So right here, I'm paying 607.10 yuan. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this big bar button right here and proceed to payment. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on this blue bar to proceed. Then enter my payment password. So right here, you can see we have successfully purchased from this friend's seventh supplier right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. For me to access my profile, I need to click on this icon right here at the bottom here. Then by the time I refresh, all the item I just purchased is going to be found right here. So as you can see here, these are all the bags that we just purchased on 1688. So this is how to import bags from China using 1688 step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell. So each time I post content about importation business like this, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.